Hey guys, welcome to Pharma Palette. Today we will be discussing about the topical steroids classification. But this is one of the complex classification where the percentages of each drug will be involved. So today in this video, let's try to learn the drugs with simple tricks along with the percentages of each drug. So the topical steroids are divided into three classes. So first one is potent, second one is moderately potent, and the third one is mild. Now let's try to discuss each class in detail. So in the first class, the potent class, to remember the drugs under this, we have one simple sentence which is, so big boys try daily to have clean faces. So B means it is beclomethasone, and this is additionally having dipropionate, and the other drug is having beclomethasone benzoate, and one more drug is beclomethasone valerate. Now the next letter is T. With the letter T we have one drug which is triamcinolone, and this is also additionally having acetonide. Then we have D, and the drug here is dexamethasone sodium phosphate. And next we have H, which means halcinonide. Then we have C, which means clobetasol propionate. C means clobetasol propionate. Then we have the last letter is F, which means fluocortolone. One drug is fluocortolone, another one is fluocinolone acetonide. Now let's try to know its percentage. Coming to its percentages, beclomethasone dipropionate, benzoate, and fluocinolone acetonide is having 0.025 percentage. And next one is triamcinolone acetonide, dexamethasone sodium phosphate, halcyonide is having 0.1 percentage, whereas this fluocortolone is 0.5 percentage, clobetasol is 0.05 percentage, and valerate is 0.12 percentage. Now coming back to the second class, which is moderately potent. So to remember the drugs under this, remember this sentence. C, middle models have fair cute height. C, middle models are having fair cute height. C means it is clobetasol butyrate. M means it is mometasone. Then H means it is hydrocortisone acetate. With the letter F, we have three drugs. So one is fluocinolone acetonide, fluocortolone, and the last one is fluticasone propionate. Now let's see the percentages of each one. Clobetasol butyrate is having 0.05 percentage. Mometasone is having 0.1 percentage. Hydrocortisone is having 2.5 percentage. Fluocortolone is having 0.025 percentage, and fluticasone propionate is having 0.05 percentage, and fluocinolone acetonide is having 0.01 percentage. So only two drugs are having same percentages. One is clobetasol and fluticasone propionate. Coming back to the third class, which is the mild class. Just remember that Hydra is mild. Just remember, Hydra is mild. So the drugs will be hydrocortisone. Is hydrocortisone acetate, and the other one is hydrocortisone butyrate. Hydrocortisone acetate, hydrocortisone butyrate. And the only difference is in the percentages. 0.1 to 1 percentage is the acetate one. 0.001 percentage is butyrate. So that is all about the topical steroids classification. If you are able to remember the drugs with at least one trick, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Pharma Palette.